Obisa muvea wa malelo manene Kenha matongwe ni director wa ilembeta ya umeloni wa Swa James Kariuki ni matambuka kauntini ya Kitui kieleloni cha kwambisya iseso ya kunenga amanyiwa pamona enendi ma Kitui mauvundesyo ma kutumia lelo munene wa Kitui kibwezi kieleloni cha kuolambanga lelo ni usu ainena nandiki mauvo za ofisi wa county commissioner wa Kitui director Kariuki ni waweta kana itambia isukumiwe ni mbanga mbingi sia lelo ila ikusi lelo ni usu na kutia enende aingi matena madhayo vala makwambesya na kunenga enende mauvunde sio makutumia lelo kwikia mawalanio vamwe na kuvetanga ala meukonia biasala masokoni ala meva kuve na lelo usu. Onesmus Chalo livoti
itina mekulule ya mbanga sia lelo ni munene wa Kitui kibwezi vela ya oyu na ketike ya manywa dhamdatu na kumatia matena madhayo mawavisa mako seve na kulungo suve kwa malelo manene elembetani umiloni wasiwa ni maminanda mbuka ya medhenya iliva kauntini ya Kitui kudhuima na kukuni kilometri talela makweki anoka na kulunga mbanga lelo ni usu ina nandiki mamovo director wa Kene elembetani umiloni wasiwa James Kariuki na wetakana mitalatala ila makweki aniva mwana kunenge NMB pamona manywa alame maskuru na alame wakuvina lelo uwa Kitui kibwezi undulama ile kutumia lelo usu kusiambanga.
We are concerned with the accidents being reported and the life being lost. So we are bringing together all the stakeholders to see to it that we reduce this road carnage. And the three areas we look into: public sensitization, starting with schools, markets, replacing of signages that have been vandalized, and again moving the market traders away from the road. So we are looking forward to collaboration from all the key stakeholders working together. We make sure we maintain the integrity of the road.
Ingenwa wetamu atandithia na muno ala makomba sindu nthi methitwe meitwa isi otandithia wa makubi na lelo meva ala masoko wa Kabati Kalundu na ala mamotoma Kitui chaithio vala makwenda serikali ya kaunti ya Kitui imanzi atandithia sikundu kwa kutoa isi otandithia no kana mevetange makubi na lelo ulotonya kumekia muisioni munene.
It is us as the community and us as the people of the Kenyan people to make sure we are there to traffic rules, to make sure you're not selling on the road, to make sure you're protecting the life and the property. And especially lives and mostly the school-going children. So again, it's my urge, us as drivers, us as marketers, the school-going children, parents, and everybody, let's come together. Road safety is a shared responsibility. It's us coming together that we're going to reduce this road carnage.
James Wetam nimekutungia maono nyuma malelo ni kutethesya mateleva pamana atobe malelo kumanya vala bene kilelo sia enende na kuola speed kulia enende kwa temia malelo ni kusiambanga. County Commissioner wa County ya Kitui Kipchumba Ruto ola watho kwa ne mavisa na kenwa kwa tambo itambie so iweta ni utethesya kuola mbanga sia lelo iweta lelo uwa Kitui kibwezi no mwa lelo ilanzio vambi ya Kenya ene no evole tone mikulule ya mbanga na matamiwa metoki ne maile kwa som.
The Kitui Kibwezi Highway, it's about 135 kilometers. It's one of the finest roads in Kenya, and we must thank the government for that, the construction of that road. It's a unique road, very good. But it has turned out to be a killer highway. Reason, the communities, they have not been adhering to the traffic regulations, and maybe very few or sufficient road signage, but some of them have been vandalized by the local community. So they have come here to ascertain why the road is becoming a killer highway. Two, yet it is of high standard. Two, is now to bring what we call a public awareness campaign to the schools, to the communities, and also to do away with markets very close to the roads.
Dili vote ya Blingo Mova Mutongo TV Kumaketui Neto Onesmus Chalo.